if your skid steer starts fine and runs fine, except for when it's under a load or under some sort of strain, then this video may be of help. I will show you where the air filter is, the fuel filter, as well as the fuel pickup tube that goes into the fuel tank. That way you can check those things and see what they look like. But before we get started, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See how it died down like that? So the first thing we're going to do is check the air filter. Yeah, see, it has that metal cartridge, but I don't see anything wrong with this that would make it stall that bad. If it's not the air filter, then maybe it's the fuel filter, right? Or maybe the pickup tube, because it was clogged before. So we'll see if it's the pickup tube or if it's the filter. And the filter does have fuel in it, so there is a flow. So let's pull that out and check it and see what it looks like. Just getting this from the side, and this is just a flat head. Bolt head here is a 5/16. Okay. Doesn't seem to be the pickup tube. You can tell that it is dark in that filter, and it's certainly not going to hurt anything to change it. This is the fuel filter that just came in that I ordered from eBay, and hopefully this will fix that problem with the hesitation when it's under a heavy load. And just to give you an idea of what the new filter looks like and how I have it installed, I have the bolt heads facing upwards in relation to how I want to be able to remove this in the future. I can just bring the screwdriver in here real easy, as opposed to if these bolt heads were facing downwards, because it's pretty difficult to get in there unless you have your boom raised up. Just a little quick tip to save you some time. And let's see if that fixes the problem.